Did you know in parts of Maine, there aren't even roads to certain areas that you can only snowmobile there? I just found that out recently. But snowmobiles are all the rage here in the Ski Patrol collection. And of course they are. We have this large snowmobile here. Santa could be riding on him, but he's amazing inside of this designer tree. This is something that is moving quickly. We have it in the large size. We have it in the small size. Now, we have it in the tree, and it's considered part of our tree recipe for you this season. You can do so many things with those inside of your store though. The other things on this tree that are doing very well are Santa, this glass ornament here. Santa is riding around in the snow. Again, I'm sensing a trend here. It's all about the snowmobiles and having the fun outside. And then we also have Santa on some skis that's doing really well out of this selection. And some more of the frosted glass ornaments. We have the red pine cone, and the red pine cone with the light bit of frosting on it is our other ornament on this tree that is trending hot out of Ski Patrol. So we flipped around to the other side of Ski Patrol for you so that you could see Santa actually on the snowmobile. He's here twice. Up here he's got his shades on. He's a cool dude. He's ready to go out riding in the snow. And then down here we have him again. Now the one thing you're going to notice about Ski Patrol, we have a lot of larger different items in this tree for the tree recipe. Yes, we have the ornaments, but we have the skis that are here that are a little bit larger. We've fastened to the tree, the snowmobiles. That's what's selling well for your tree recipe. Now maybe you decide you want to focus on skis, maybe you want to focus on the snowmobiles. You can incorporate all of those things in with the red and the dark navy blue here in Ski Patrol.